Week 24. Welcome to the piano. I'm going to help you get through the assignment today. It says to learn Down Comes Johnny. Let's hear it first. Now hold on, Ellen. That's a lot to do, to play the melody and the chords at the same time. I'm not ready for that. Well, guess what? You don't have to be ready for it now. You might be ready for it later, but you can do this much today. Down comes Johnny, down comes he. He is hiding the money and the key. Who has the money? I have the money. Who has the key? I have the key. Sure, I bet you could do that much. So let's get to there. That pattern of who has the money? So, me, so. Be my echo. Let's do it again. So, me, so. And you might want to echo it somewhere else on the piano. So, me, do. Where can I put that one? Okay, so you might say, oh, Ellen, that's too easy. I could do the next step. The full chord? Try it. Down comes Johnny. Are you singing with me? Down comes he. He is hiding the money. Option 1. And the key, or money and the key. Which one is your hand ready for? You decide. All right, now we got to get to that melody. How am I going to learn that melody? Oh, I've got it. I'll use my practice CD. It's on practice CD 1. Yeah, it's on 1, so you got to go dig it out. It says Down Comes Johnny. Here we go.
Down Comes Johnny in D major position.
He is hiding the money and the key. Who has the money? The money. Who has the key? Okay, so option 1, just learning the patterns.
Do, mi.
Don't forget to sing. Do, mi.
Do, mi.
Do, mi. Pause. Hey, Mom, did you pause it so that you have time to play that 3 times? Do, mi. Can you do it 2 more times? 1 more time? Okay, got 1 pattern down.
Do, so.
Do, so.
Do, so.
Do, so. Okay, let's do that 3 times. Do, so. Do it again. Do, so. Do it 1 more time. Okay, now let's turn those 2 patterns into Down Comes Johnny. Oh, Johnny has 2 sounds, so I'll need 2 me's. Down comes Johnny, down comes he. Try it. Did you get it? Here it is. You try it. That was 2 times. Here comes a 3rd time. Well done. Do you know that when I practice things 3 times in a row so that I have time for my muscles to learn the patterns? I'm ready to move on.
Do, mi, do.
try it and play it 3 times. Did you have enough time? Okay, let's move on.
Mi, re, do.
Hot cross buns. Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do. Pause. Repeat it 3 times. Here it is one more time. Mi, re, do. He is hiding the... Oh, I had to repeat that me again. Money. Oh, that has 2 sounds. I need 2 me's. Money and the... What does he need? Key. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Could I put it all together? Maybe. Down comes Johnny. Down comes he. He is hiding the money and the key. Now you may only have 2 of the patterns. That's fine. You may only have 1 pattern. That's fine. You may have all 4 patterns and turn it into the melody. That's fine. Or you may still be doing Down comes Johnny. This is all fine. I love any space. You could also run around the room 4 times. That's fine too. Oh, we're not done.
So, mi, so.
Oh, right. So, mi, so.
So, mi, so.
So, mi, so. Pause. I'm going to try that. I repeated the me because who has the money? Can you put it elsewhere? You ready to move on? If not, pause.
So, mi, do.
Oh, yeah, we know that one. So, mi, do.
So, mi, do.
So, mi, do. Who has the key? And I'm going to put that everywhere. And that might be the pattern of the day. So I repeat it because I want my muscles to be stronger. And when we do weights, we repeat it so that our muscles get stronger. I don't want to do too much on my hands. I want to be careful, but 3 times is enough. Hey, you might have parts of Down Come Johnny, and each day you do it, it's going to get better and better and better. Not because the piece gets easier, but because you're getting better. All right, we're ready to move on. It says, play an old song in a new key. What should I... Oh, I have an idea. I'm going to go all the way back to my book 1 because in the front I've got this cool list of every piece we did last time, and I bet I didn't get to all of them. I've got Listen for Bells. I play that all the time. Mouse, Mousy, Piece of Cake. Who's that? Wild Horses. Oh. Hot Cross Buns. Oh, in a new key. I haven't done that in F. I think that's going to be my piece. There's a little spot. I could write an F there, and when I'm done, I could put the date, and I could even put a sticker there. Okay, here we go. All right, here's F. There's my me. That's the start of Hot Cross Buns. Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, mi, re, do. Yeah, all right. Now, if you've got that melody down, great. You could add chords. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny. And if you can add the pinky, that makes it nice. Hot cross buns. So that's another way I could practice an old piece is add chords, and I could add it to my voice or to the melody. Both are fine. Now, if you find a piece here that you haven't done yet or it was too hard, I have a secret. You've gotten better. So if you go back and try it again with the practice CD, you might be surprised that you could play one of these, or you can learn it for me. Put it on the Marco Polo. I'd love to hear it. All right, now we're up to Mary Had a Little Lamb. Oh, great. This is a good piece. It's in G-Do, G-Do. Hey, let's name the chords first. One chord, 5, 7, 1 chord. Are you pointing and saying it with me? Don't forget to point. One chord, 5, 7, 1. Now you could have mom or dad point to them while you play the chords. Oh, that's C. I need to be in G. Now remember, if that's too big, this is fine too. One chord, 5, 7. Or if you want to add the pinky, if your hand is big enough. If it hurts, don't do it. One chord, 5, 7. Or 5, 7, 1. Or open. It's up to you. All right, here comes the melody. You know Mary Had a Little Lamb, right? Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Hey, that's enough for the first day. I can learn that on the piano. Sing it with me. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Wasn't this mi, re, do what we just did in Money and the Key? So you know that pattern. All right, I'm doing it in G. Yeah, there it is. All right. Maybe it's day 2 and you decide to add this. Let's go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Look back. Which note is this? Is it the do? Is it the re? Or is it the mi? Yep, it's a re. Re, re, re. Mi. Did you get it? So. Hey, maybe we can do the whole line. My hand's in G, but I'm not looking at my hands. I'm looking at the music. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Re, 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 mi, so. Did they go too fast? Mom, you can point to the notes and slow down. All right, I might be going too fast. Hey, it's another day. Mi. Hey, this is the same as this. Mi. I could do this. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. And there's another mi. Mi. Oh, re, re. You know what that pattern is? You got it. Mi, re, do. I bet you could do the whole piece. Here's my starting position. Here's the music that we're watching. Moms, you're pointing. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Yes, you can keep singing it. Or just point and be quiet. Now, if that's a lot for you, then that's a lot for you. That's fine. You've got all week to fool around with it. You will get better. For those who are adding chords, go for it. Add the chords. The chords are played where underneath the note that you need to play it with. You know what the chord is. You just, when you get there, you go, oh, I play one chord with the mi. Oh, I play another one chord with the mi. So you got to follow the music so you know when to add the chords. All right. The next thing, just as important as all this piano, is rain dance on my listening CD. I can drum with the recording. I can dance with the recording. This is just as important as all this wiggling we're doing at the piano, because we're going to learn this piece on the piano. I want you to know the piece really well, so play it every day. Oh my gosh, there's also writing to do. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's that page. Oh, Where is it? Oh, there it is. Do you remember last week we were making some improvisations and I asked you to Marco Polo? You know what you can do when you're done filling out this page that I PDF'd to your mom, or maybe you haven't done this page yet, would you take a picture and send it to me and then I'll play it for you on Marco Polo? Or better yet, would you play your answer to me on Marco Polo? One way is to just sing it. Mi, re, do, mi, so. And then whatever you answer here could be so, mi, so. It has to end on do. Now, if you're not sure what to put here, you can use your blue notation cards for some ideas. That's a little tip. Did you know these are all blue notation cards? So you could answer with blue notation card answers. All right. I would love to see a picture of your composing. By the way, in class, I am going to ask you to take a picture and show it to me because it's really hard for me to see your page when you do it. When you do the, hey, here, Ellen, here's the page. I'm like, I'm getting dizzy. So if Mom takes a picture, it makes it so much easier for me. All right, we're done practicing. Run outside and play while the weather is good. I will see you soon.